anything.
How do you know? You weren't in the room this afternoon.
Because it was doing that when here's the deal.
So you never touched it again?
No, I went to turn it off. Look, went to turn it off. It wouldn't turn off, so I said, oh, I better pull it by this because it's not working. Who are you calling?
The electrician! Fucking dick. Driving me fucking nuts.
No. It's Sunday.
So what?
What are you gonna? He's gonna come over now? I wanted to take a nap.
Well, he's coming over now. Guess what? The nap is zilch. It's too early to go sleeping now anyway. Fucking daylight out.
She's calling Mike.
Tell him to not touch anything. All right, leave it alone. Mike, every weekend I call you.
He's gonna look.
The one yeah. My son was in there. He went to shut the light out and he pressed the remote, the light on the remote, and it wouldn't shut off. So then he pulled the chain to shut it off.